Hi and welcome to the course. Now if you're watching this, then you may already have some understanding about mind mapping. But before we jump into the details, get our hands dirty and start building maps, let's agree on some of the basics. A mind map, at its most basic, is a diagram of pieces of information, which are connected to each other in a pattern. And the purpose is to visually organize that information to help you quickly and easily achieve a goal. Now, that goal might be solving a problem or brainstorming some new ideas, taking meeting notes, documenting a book or a course that you might be studying. You could be performing research, you might be planning a project, or you might simply just be keeping track of your to-do list or the to-do lists of your employees. Basically, if you're doing anything that requires some form of organization, then a mind map can really help. It can even help you reduce work or project related stress by taking all of the noise and the loose ends that are bouncing around your head and helping you document them, prioritize them, and get them done. And in fact, we show you specifically how to do that later on in the course when we talk about brain dumps. So why is a mind map a better option than a simple to-do list? Well, by using a map, you get a picture of your information, which helps you understand patterns and similarities between items, the status of different items, priorities, groupings, and relationships between items. Now, a mind map is actually made up of a pretty short list of different elements, and those elements are the building blocks of a mind map. Learning about those elements and how to use them is key to effective mind mapping. And there's only a short list of these elements that you need to know about, so don't worry, this isn't a long learning curve. So, as mind mapping is a memory, organization, and learning tool, it makes perfect sense for you to learn about mind mapping by actually making a mind map. So when you're ready, meet me in the next lesson where I will introduce you to some free mind mapping software that we're going to use, and then you and I are going to build our first mind map together. Thank you for your time.